Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam error that says not enough disk space even when you clearly have free storage available on your PC. This is a very common issue on Steam, and it can happen for several reasons, including corrupted download cache, incorrect download location settings, hidden temporary files, or Steam not detecting your available drive space properly. The good news is that you can fix it using a few simple steps. First, open the Steam client on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner and click on Steam. Then from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings window, look at the left sidebar and click on Downloads. On the right side, find and click the button labeled Clear Download Cache. Steam will ask you to confirm this action, so click OK. After this, Steam will restart automatically, and this alone often fixes false not enough disk space errors. Next, if the problem continues, go back into Settings, then click on Storage from the left-hand menu. Here you will see all your available drives and Steam library folders. Make sure the game you are trying to install is set to a drive that actually has enough free space. If not, click Add Drive or Move Install Folder and select a different location with more storage. Now, check your drive permissions. Sometimes Steam cannot properly write files due to restricted folder access. Open File Explorer, right-click your Steam installation drive, select Properties, then go to the Security tab. Make sure your user account has full control or write permissions enabled. If the issue still exists, you should also check for hidden temporary files. Navigate to your Steam folder, open Steam Apps, and look for any partially downloaded files with the extension .tmp or incomplete game folders. Deleting these can free up blocked space and fix installation errors. Another useful step is to restart your computer completely. This helps clear out any temporary system-level storage detection glitches that may be interfering with how Windows reports available disk space. When your system runs for long periods, cached storage readings or background processes can sometimes cause inaccurate storage reporting, which Steam then relies on when checking whether a download or update can proceed. A full restart forces Windows to refresh all storage indexes, reinitialize system services, and recalculate available disk space from scratch, which often resolves these inconsistencies immediately. Finally, reopen Steam and try downloading or updating your game again. In most cases, the error should now be gone, and Steam will correctly recognize your available storage. If you still see the message after completing all these steps, it may be worth verifying your disk for errors using Windows Disk Check tools. Corrupted file system data, bad sectors, or incomplete write operations can sometimes cause Windows to misreport free space or prevent Steam from properly allocating storage. Running a disk scan can help identify and repair these issues, ensuring your drive is functioning correctly and reporting accurate available space again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.